What is going on, guys? Today we visit a place you might recognize from the movie Schindler's List. We are at the factory turned museum of Oskar Schindler himself. Let's go check it out. As we step inside, we're transported to a time when the factory became a sanctuary. The exhibits vividly recount the stories of the factory workers, individuals who found hope amongst the horrors of World War II. The museum doesn't just tell a story, it invites you to be a part of it. Interactive displays take you back in time, offering a glimpse into the historical context of the Holocaust. One of the museum's core themes is hope. It's a place where stories of resilience of the human spirit shine brightly, providing that even in the darkest times, goodness can prevail. The museum serves as a poignant reminder of the Holocaust, but I personally see it as a place of hope during dark times in Krakow's history. I'll see you in the next video.